How to reset your Instagram algorithm. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different tips that'll help you reset not only the Explorer section of Instagram, but your entire algorithm. We can now go in and actually remove and add topics. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, and then select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings. Once in the settings, scroll down until we get to what you see and select content preferences. And there's a couple different things in here that we can actually change. So first, select your algorithm at the top. It'll tell you what they currently think you're into on your algorithm. And if you see anything here that you want to remove, you simply select it and then select remove interest. Or you can select move to see less. Additionally, you can also add items. So you can add different items that it'll recommend. You can also select add here and then type what you want. Then search it and it will add it to your interest. So go in here and you can edit your algorithm as much as you want to. Once you've done that, go back. And then in here, you also have your interested and not interested. So you can go in there and remove anything from your interested or not interested, and that'll help the algorithm as well. Additionally, in reset suggested content, go down here, select that. Once you get in here, you can read through this. It does not change who you're following, things like that. It's just going to turn off some of the personalization on Instagram until they reconfigure it after some time. So go ahead and select next, then select reset suggested content, and then confirm one more time. And now when you go and start using Instagram, it should look much different because you have reset your algorithm. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.